Hi, it's Teresa. I know it's been a while since I've done an audio recording. I apologize for that. I kind of lost my voice doing some face-to-face classes, so excuse the scratchiness, and here I am. Welcome to week 4, and it's been really interesting to kind of plow through all this, sift through it all, actually. Um, it's great to see everybody's work. And I'm very impressed with how this is going. And I hope that you're feeling good about learning your camera and you're getting more comfortable and hopefully you're learning the settings and things are going to start maybe becoming a little more automatic for you and comfortable for you as we move along. Anyway, we are in week 4. This is the 16th. And I do know that even though up here it says week 2, I'm kind of going backwards a little bit because I need to talk a little bit about week 2. So that's where I'm going to start. I just want to make sure that everybody knows that I have extended the O2 exposure activity. So it has been extended to Wednesday the 17th, which is tomorrow, right before midnight, 11:55. So if you haven't done that yet, please take the time and do that and get that in, as well as the bulk photos. So both of those have been extended. If you already did those, don't worry about redoing it or anything like that. I'm sure it's fine. And I have graded, I think I've graded all of the O2 activities that came in. So you should have gotten some comments and a grade from me regarding that. Let's see what else. So, oh, I know what I was going to say. I have gone in and fixed, or not fixed necessarily, but I have looked at maybe some of the videos that didn't play. Some people were emailing me and telling me that some of the videos didn't play. I would ask you to use a different browser. Maybe you're using Safari or Firefox, then I'd say switch to Chrome. Sometimes that's all it takes. Other times it might be more than that. It might be your laptop or your computer that you're using. For example, this video, shooting modes, some people said they couldn't open it. This video is in Flash. I've added this. This video is in Flash. Many browsers block Flash, so you may need to enable or allow Adobe Flash to work in your browser to view this video. So that might be a problem for several of you I've heard from, and I would say if that doesn't work and you need more help, I would say contact the Student Help Desk or SHED at lanecc.edu, and they can try to help you a little bit more than I can, I guess. So anyway, that might be the reason why some of those videos aren't playing. And let me know if that's a problem, and I can try to give you an extension, or we can try to figure out something. So I don't want you to be frustrated. I know that it's really hard and it is frustrating at times, but we just got to keep trying. Don't give up. So week 3, same thing. Maybe some of the videos might not be playing. Again, try to enable Flash to make that work. If you haven't turned in your 03 depth of field activity, which was due last Friday, I would encourage you to continue working on that and get that in as soon as possible if you haven't done that yet. Don't worry about points being lost. It's best to get some points rather than no points at all. So get that into me. It's nice to see that you're trying. Don't feel like, oh, it's been too late and I'm going to get all these points knocked off. I will give you something if you turn it in. So please do your best to get that in. As far as commenting on classmates' work, please comment. It looks like I've got 58 unread posts here. I need to get caught up. I really appreciate everybody doing that. It's good to get feedback and give feedback to your classmates. So continue doing that. That's a good thing. Let's see, the quiz. Let me know if you ran into some problems with quiz 2 as far as not being able to open videos, and maybe that would be helpful to the answers in quiz 2. Just email me and let me know, and I can see what I can do about reopening up the quiz for you specifically. But make sure that you do go up here and you get the videos to play so that you can get that information. Okay, I hope that makes sense. And then as far as week 4, that's where we're at right now. My goodness, it's already week 4. This is one of my favorite activities. It's on bracketing. Bracketing is really important. Professionals do bracketing, amateurs bracket. What you want to do is you want to take the same picture, but take it 3 stops up, 3 stops down. So you want to have it overexposed, you want to have it underexposed, and you might be really surprised as to what you end up liking. What's your favorite? Sometimes people like something that's very exposed, others like things that are underexposed, others kind of stick in the middle. So play around with that and have fun with that activity. I'm looking forward to seeing that. That is due on Friday the 19th, right before midnight at 11:55. Same with the bulk and the log sheet. So try to get those things in. Try to make good notes on your log sheet and get at least 30 photos for bulk. That would be, it's real important to do that and practice. So there's also a quiz that's due on Sunday, the 21st, before midnight. And know that this is your last quiz. So I only gave 3 quizzes for this class, and so we're going to get past that. They are only worth 4% of your grade. So do try and attempt it. It's important to do that and see what you can learn, and I'll look over those, and maybe we'll get to a point where I can go back and try to give you some other articles or videos to look at so that you can get a better idea of maybe some of the things that you missed. All right, so I've been very long-winded at 6 minutes, and I don't want to go any longer. I hope that you are having fun with this class and that you are gaining a better understanding of photography and having fun with your camera. All right, email me if you have any questions. I do have this, I added this little icon up here at the top, message me. That's just a real easy way to message me quickly if you have a question. Again, news and announcements is real important, and the Q&A forum is for you to interact with your other classmates. All right, so have a good evening, and again, if you have any questions, just let me know. We're almost halfway through the term. It's kind of hard to believe, but we are there, and you guys are doing a great job. So thank you, and have a good night.